In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create patterns for the weeks and rotate them easily. In this organization, they have a day shift and an evening shift. They're all working 8 hours, but in their contract, they're guaranteed every second Saturday and Sunday off. And so what I've done here is in my first week pattern, what I've done is I've changed the background color to red so you can see how it's being rotated through the different people. So let's run this. So let's go bring it back to the beginning. And so employee one, the week one is here. And then you can see that then they have the other weeks after there. But in the employee two, the week one is the last week. And in employee three, the week one is the third week. And the week one is the second week for employee number 4. And once again, we would gone back to employee number 5 being week 1 and employee number 6 being the last week. So there you see that we have them totaled for each of these. They do have every second week off if you look at the schedules. And so what I've done here is I have defined what each week is. So now I'll show you the code. So here I have my different weeks scheduled. So in week 1, I'm calling for to start with 4 days work and then a blank and so on. And then for week 2, I do the same. I'm doing this so that they have every second weekend off. And each week is a pattern so that we can get no more than 4 days working, and they need to have their 2 days off in between the weekends that they have off. And so here I've done this for 4 different weeks for the schedule. And now if you go up to the top, where I'm doing it is I'm calling it. So I'm saying for these row numbers, then you're going to use this pattern. So it's calling week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. And then for the next set of numbers, they call week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 1. And it keeps going like that. So for these numbers, we're doing week 3, week 4, week 1, week 2. And then for the last set of numbers, we're doing week 4, and then we're going back to week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. This is an easy way so that you can change the different orders depending on your staffing needs. I will, of course, include all the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.